First of all, congratulations to all of you who are here. This is an appreciation night that really recognizes all of the efforts of everyone who have put in very hard work to make this day one of the IPEX a success. Hindi ko na dadagdagan yung sinabi kanina ni Valerie, tapos yung sinabi kanina ni Malu, kasi hahaba lang ako. Halos pareho naman kami ng mga sasabihin. Pero siguro, let me just narrate to you some stories. About last week, so nagpunta tayo ng Qatar. We spent maybe 12 hours in Qatar to talk to our counterparts because we took advantage of the recent visit here of the Emir of Qatar to present to their country the major issue that we are facing when it comes to market access. Ito yung requirement nila that per shipment natin of processed food products, we have to present a certificate of conformity. So maganda naman yung naging resulta. Medyo may way forward na tayo such that hindi na magiging per shipment sa may recognition that there are indeed trusted exporters in the Philippines. Sinasabi ko lang mo yun para tutukin ko context sa halimbawa how government and private sector can work together. Tapos jumpstart natin from Doha, pagdating mo dito kanina, unang sumalubong sa amin ay yung ating trade assistant from Shanghai, si Vicky. So tapos proud na proud siya na sinabi na may mga buyers siya kasama. Tapos